everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are coding in SwiftUI and ran into this error when using TextField, you are not alone. The error is cannot convert value of type string to expected argument type binding. Today I will explain why this happens and how to fix it with state and binding. Let's jump into the code. Here's what many beginners try. Let's start. As you can see, this is reading the error cannot convert value of type string to expected argument type binding. SwiftUI needs a binding string so it can track changes, but my string variable is just a regular variable so it does not update the UI. To fix this, we need to make my string reactive using @state. Let's try. As you can see, the error goes. So now when we type in the text field, SwiftUI updates my string automatically. Okay. Now let's learn how to do this with binding, with parent-child communication. If you are working with multiple views, @binding helps shares the state. Let's see how it works. Now we will create parent view class. In this we will create state variable. We are passing the binding variable here. Okay. Now let's try to run this code. You can see we added the text field view within the child view class, but this is showing in the parent view because we are adding the child view within the parent view class body. Now if you can type anything within the text field, this will be automatically updated within the parent view state as well. So here's you have it. If you get this error, just remember two things. Use state when managing input in the same view. Otherwise use binding when passing data between multiple views. If this video will help you, hit the like button and subscribe for more SwiftUI content. Thank you.